What's up, dudes? I have a Minecraft video here today, and I'm going to be showing you a mob grinder. And here it is. And this is an awesome mob grinder. This is the grinder room, where all the enemies die. So many mobs. Yeah, it's like a big. Oh, whoa! What? That spider got him? How did you get in here? At least it's a green spotted, so die spider. What? How'd you get out of your grinder? You almost made a creeper blow up. Creepers don't blow up. I know, but they won't blow up because this is glass. I'm going to throw everything at mine here. So it goes all the way from bedrock all the way up to the sky. It is a big mob grinder, and that creeper just got finished.
Uh-oh, you have only half your life.
I know. Get some cookies.
Yay, cookies!
Yeah.
Cookies!
Let's get a cake.
Cake.
Yum 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 yum.
Eat a big roll of cakes.
Yum. Okay.
Make a wolf.
Okay, that's done.
Okay, show him how tall it is.
No, I'm not sure to the surface. Sorry, my brother's being annoying like he always is. So I'm going to show you how much things I have so far. I'm only running for about 2 hours, and by the way, it collects about 10,000 things per hour. Kills about 10,000 mobs per hour. More, actually. Feathers. String. Arrows. Bones. Gunpowder. And I did not cheat any of this. I swear I did not cheat any of this.
Doesn't have any mobs.
I do have too many items, but I turned it off. I wasn't using it at all, except for a diamond pick
And the cake.
Yeah, and the cake.
Cake!
And my baby cousin's waking up.
Not really. It's a newborn baby coming, not exactly a newborn, a few days old.
She's about 6 days old. So that's all about that. But
okay, back to the video.
Okay, so look at how fast this goes. I tried to make my own mob grinder, and I couldn't even do it. It's so hard.
Yeah, because
So that's all for this video, so bye. What's up, dudes? I am peace and quiet, and I have a mob grinder that I'm going to show you today. No, I did not make this. It's not the original video. It's not the best one either, but this is just a little bit of a commentary, a live commentary about this. Well, I don't know, it's not live, but this is an excellent mob grinder. I mean, it's crazy. I downloaded this from the internet, so I found it on Minecraft. I found it on Minecraft forums, and so I downloaded it. And the worst part about this is the climb up, and I'm going to show you how tall it is. It goes from bedrock all the way up to here, and it's as tall as you could ever get with a mob grinder. I'm not kidding. You can't get any taller. And then it goes all the way up to the limits. And I'll show you a little bit of the mob grinder. That's one. Oh, crap. There we go. That works. That's good. But it goes all the way up to the sky. And I'm going to turn off my graphics on it fancy. I was just experimenting because my computer got 8 gigs of RAM. And I am here at my aunt's house with my new baby cousin. She's only about 4 days old. She's actually 6 days old. Oh, jeez. Oh, crap. But I'll show you the mob grinder room. This is the mob grinder room. This is where all the mobs fall down. Skeleton died just from the fall, but this is where they all fall down and get grinded up by the lava. And then it comes down here, down this, and I don't like the shape of this sand. It's not my type. It's a wasp. I think, yeah. Look at right, that's a wasp. I have no idea. But I don't think it was meant to be that way, so just don't look at it very much. But creepers, little creepers. We're not burning. Yeah, you're burning. Oh, what am I doing? But I'm going to the little thing where I collect it. Right behind here is an incinerator. I don't want to go. I hate the incinerator, so I'm not going back there. It's just pointless. I'm going to pick up all this, and I'm going to put these away. That's how much arrows I've gotten so far. And it loots 10,000 items per hour. That's all the feathers, that's all the string, and that's all the gunpowder. I mean, this works really well. If you had this on multiplayer survival, maybe, you would be awesome. Because you could make so much TNT with this. I mean, it's just crazy. So, it grinds 10,000 mobs per hour, about 7,000 mobs actually. Probably, about. I am tired right now, so don't worry about that. It's a long day. I was in the car for about 2 hours, 30 minutes. And I was in the car yesterday for an hour, 30 minutes, and it was not fun. And I also got a little thing for my computer that cools it. You plug it into the USB drive and then it cools my computer, so I like that. I don't cool up my computer easily. So that's all for now. So bye 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 bye.